These assholes above me keep microwaving me, dumping some kind of fucked up pollutants on me. Something. Still, got my coat on from when I went to the store at 11 o'clock. Somehow I fell out. Imagine that. Because that's something that I meant to do, was go to sleep with my coat on. It's always a microwave or something that, ELF, extremely low frequency. They don't seem to understand, or at least some of them don't understand, that they are named in letters that a doctor has, a friend has. They don't get that shit. That or they don't care about doing, a bid